What's up, YouTube? This is Mike here, Trushine Cleaning. And before I get into this video, I just want to thank everybody for the 1,000 subscribers. We hit the 1,000 subscriber mark July 24th. Today is the 29th. So I have been going through a lot lately these last little few days. Been real busy. St. Louis area, we did get like a flooded area in the county and some parts of the city. So I've been dealing with a lot of work. My area actually flooded as well. So just been doing a lot. So I just want to thank everybody for the 1,000 subscribers. I'm here now at a repeat client, a great customer, a great client, I should say. I've been doing her furniture for at least about 4 years now. I'm here today to do the same set of furniture, and I'm also doing her set of steps. I'm cleaning her steps, and we're doing her area rug. So I'm gonna take you guys in and show you guys what I'm doing. All right, you guys, let me take you on in. Get ready to show you guys. I've already started supplies out here. I'm actually here to do an area rug, and I'm going to do her steps as well. So I got these two here, and I also have she also have another cleaner out here that's doing some cleaning to the house. So I'm gonna take you guys in. As you can see, it is 10:48, July 29th. So. I've already cleaned these already. I'm in the process of cleaning all the pillows. I cleaned these two already. Got this. And I cleaned the ottoman. So this furniture usually cleans up pretty good. So about to get ready to finish that up. There's a lot going on, so I don't want to film anyone on camera or anything. So just want to show you guys what I'm doing. And again, thanks for all the subscribers. It's a lot more to come, and you guys take it easy. Thank you.